Yep, it's recording.
Hello, this is the premiere of pulling my tooth out.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, hold on. Let me do it again. Bobby, can you come and hold the camera?
Right over there.
Yeah, so we can see his beautiful face. I want to see his expression when he pulls his tooth out. And then I'm going to put it on YouTube.
Why? Ah!
Should I do it?
No, I got it. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No. They come on. You're not even holding the other one.
Okay.
Scary, huh?
Cool.
Oh, come on!
You gotta be kidding me! Really? Does it really have to fall off like that?
You have to pull it like this to the side.
Oh.
Hold the camera like this. Do not move it, okay? Just right there. Do not move it. Don't move it.
I'm not moving it!
You're doing it good. You're doing good.
Hurry up and put it on.
Wait, no. That's too far.
Oh!
Okay, hold it.
Why does it keep on falling off?
Because your tooth is wet. Don't pull it down.
1, 2. Hey.
Don't even pull it like fast. Just pull it. No, don't pull it. You're pulling it down again. Pull it this side.
What am I supposed to do?
Pull it to the side, not down. Okay, here.
I'm doing it. Oh, God.
And you don't have to do it fast. Do it slowly. Like you know, slowly.
Why? Last time she did it fast and then...
No, she didn't. She pulled it hard. Like that.
This might take a while.
I know. Okay, hold it. It's okay. We'll keep trying until it works.
Why is it keep on breaking?